Let me see that. Oh! 2 seconds of getting bit by one bird, bro. Alright, this is gonna be my recorder right here. Come on. Get up. You're not gonna be sitting down. Get up. Get up.
Alright.
You gotta literally film with the camera. Don't be focused. Yeah, film it.
Stand up. Just stand up.
Just stand up. You're gonna have to be good. You do not know how to record, bro. You're gonna be standing up. And look, if you watch, go ahead and show them an example by grabbing the bird. If I say pause the video, you're gonna pause like that.
Alright, so you need to follow the bird?
Yeah, you're gonna follow the bird, even if it flies. Oh wait, that's a green one. The green one doesn't do nothing.
Can I stay in this corner?
What?
Can I stay in this corner?
No. Look, you came in here to record. If you're not gonna record, then just get out.
Let me see.
Wait. So you got the bird, Jesse?
I'm trying.
Yeah, this one who likes to hang onto the bar. I'm gonna get bit in the stomach by this thing.
Alright, she's done. Hey, no,
Wow. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause the video because, you know, he's trying to catch the bird and it's very hard. Okay, he finally got the bird actually, right when I paused the video too.
Cameraman.
Alright. You're gonna film this bird biting me, alright? Alright, I'll do leg after this, right?
Wait, move your stomach. Let's see how clean it is. Let's see how clean your stomach is.
No.
She's gonna bite me. Move your hands! Put them to the side.
Ah!
Where is it? Show me. Move.
No, move. I don't know where anyone is.
Right there.
See those 2 pecks right there? You probably can't see them on camera.
I got bitten twice. Move. I got bitten twice. Oh.
Yours might start bleeding like mine. Is it already bleeding?
I don't know, bro. Alright, where else? Now the leg? Alright, here, film me.
You gotta pull it up your pants.
Alright. See this. Look at that, he's hanging on. He's hanging on to the
Give me my shirt.
He's hanging on to the board.
Bruh, it's angry. It's like fucking biting everything. Oh, that scared me.
That one doesn't bite though.
I know that one doesn't bite. I thought that was
It does, kind of.
white bird. Yeah, it does kind of, but not really that strong.
Yeah, it's not a dick like the white one.
Let's see your cut.
Oh, record me, bro. Record him.
Wait, don't.
Record him.
Alright, careful,
Right here on the
Jesse.
leg. Right here.
I got it.
Hurry up.
Are you ready?
Ah! Snibbling.
It's good. The bird's walking away like
Are you alright? Where?
the bird.
Can barely see it.
Yeah, I can barely see it.
The bird's walking away.
Now my turn, right? Alright, hold on. Oh. No.
She nibbles to try to find a spot. Let go.
She's like a damn mosquito, bruh.
Mosquitoes don't hurt that bad though.
No, duh, but like, you know, they're trying to find a spot. Okay. She hit me on one spot. I don't know if you can see.
It was like right
Yeah,
there.
somewhere right here.
Alright, where now? On the arm?
Yeah, sure, why
No,
not?
Then next to nipples.
Hell no, we're not doing nipples.
We're not doing nipples. Probably, but not.
Alright, go get her.
Alright, on the arm, bro. Here, you hold the phone while I try to get in. Make sure you don't put it sideways, bro. Keep it straight forward. Here, look.
Hurry up.
Distracted. Hey. Do you put on SpongeBob again? Oh, God.
That felt good because the wind.
I know it's hecka hot up in here, bro.
Thank you, bird. Oh shoot, calm down. Just put like your.
Bro.
Calm down.
Stop getting
What you
scared.
doing?
That one doesn't bite.
No, but I don't like
Here,
him going on
take
my
the t-shirt.
arms. It's forcing. Right arm. Which arm? Right, I'll record. This time.
This
No,
one.
no, no.
Not my nipple, bro.
Oh, the nipple?
No!
You know, the thing is that everybody's gonna see your face, OP Jesse, on your thing.
I know.
Who cares? It's finally time. Oh! Did it bit you? Did it bite you?
Oh, yes!
Its feathers came off, bro. Let me see where. Hold on, that means I gotta get bit there too. But you still gotta get bit in your arm.
Let me see. Under your nipple.
Hold on, guys. Alright.
Oh, get out!
Oh. Alright. Oh my god, I'm getting hella
Look
sweaty.
what you did to me!
You have to do it under your nipple.
Alright.
Under your titty.
Shut up.
His hair is right here.
Where'd you go?
On my arm first, bro. On my arm first.
Ooh! Oh, Maverick is so high. He fell on the
Hey,
floor.
bro! Let me see my. You don't know how to record. Hold on. Hey.
Get his arm.
He's not biting. She's not biting. Just nibbling,
trying
bro.
Right there.
That hurts, bro. Probably because our arms are hella sweaty.
Shit, man. Come on.
Oh no. Yeah, actually, you said our foot next, right? Like one of our
Wait,
toes.
don't you still know how to do under your...
Yeah, of course you can grip on my damn pants, but not my freaking arm.
Let go. Grab it. Seconds.
But not letting go, bro. Hurry up before she gets a hold of my leg skin. Or my leg.
Make it let it go.
I can't see her, bro. Move. Wait, hold on. The other side.
Do it right here, just me, right there. Right, me, two, three, grab it.
Oh, right here.
I didn't resist. You just made her fall.
No, your arm.
Now, wait, under
I can see it.
Ah!
Not now.
Get up! Get up!
on this.
No, move. I want you.
Ow! Get off! Ow! Can you get off, please? Ow! Ow!
Oh, okay. You should have kept it on there, bro. Hold on. Alright. You got bit by your finger, right?
You got to bite your finger like 5 times.
Hold on.
We're done with this game.
No, bro. I gotta. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. The
Look at my
music.
stomach.
Hold on. The music goes great with this.
Oh, bro. No.
Almost. Tell me when you see the people on there. Do you see people yet? Hello. Ah! Ooh! Go on, keep going. We gotta keep going.
Oh, what'd you do?
I just turned off it.
No, you didn't. Right, you just get out of this.
Alright. That's enough.
No, we're done.
Bye, worst cameraman. Alright, now the challenge is to try to get them in. Cage.
Come on.
You didn't forget nothing, bruh.
Not like you.
They don't like me. Look what they did to my stomach. Come here, right now.
Oh my god.
Get in there now. Get in there. You too, boy. Shut up. Get in there, Linguini.
Linguini. Oh boy, alright, what do you think of that experience, OP Jesse?
Sucks ass. Look what they did to my
Bro,
stomach. They
look at
scratched and they bit.
Well, my finger got, oh my god, yep, I knew it.
Yep. There it goes. Sounds about right.
And we got bit on our back too. We like started this wavy. Oh, dude, look at them. They're like prepared to fly or something.
Right, look at, is my back somewhere?
Hold on, wait. Oh, yeah, right here. Right here, Brad. Does it hurt right there?
A little. Here, let me show you yours. I saw it.
Is it on my back? Besides my sunburn?
No, it's right here.
I'm gonna point at it. Touch it.
Right here.
Ah, yeah, I can feel it.
Yep. Here you go, man.
Well, that was the 10-minute video that we did. So I guess that's all, guys. We'll upload later in the future. Anyway, yeah, that's OP Jesse's face reveal. So, alright. See you guys. Look at this room, it's so full. So full of dust.
I hate you.